Hi, it's Alexis. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to get your ex to run back to you. There's actually a few techniques, few things you could be doing for your ex to actually run, actually crawling back to you. We'll see that after the jingle.
IGetMyExBack.com. Everyone deserves a second chance.
The first thing is don't listen to him or her. It is very important to ignore what they say when they announce the breakup or even after the breakup. I'm going to explain you a little bit in more detail. Before I do, I want to remind you that I put together a quiz for you to know if you have any chance to get back with your ex. The link is in the first comment of the video. It takes 2 minutes. You have the score, blah, blah, blah. It's free. You know the drill. So we should never focus on our ex's word. We should not care about what they say. Now, the whole point is for you to stop worrying about what your ex say, what your ex think. The whole point right now, after a breakup, if you want them to chase you, is to focus on yourself and is to only care about yourself. Because I've seen some text of, breakup text from my clients where people tell things, awful things like, I will never be in love with you anymore, I don't have feelings for you, you ruined my life, all these kind of things, super nasty that they say just because they want to, they have the idea that being single or being without you is the great option and they don't have many arguments, so they use these arguments of emotions and feelings, which very often is bullshit. So don't listen to them, don't listen to what they say, follow your path. You'll see in the next tip what you have to do. Make your life better. It's as simple as that. As humans, we value what we don't have, right? So you'll see that they will miss what they don't have, i.e. you, especially if you invest in your life, if you do exciting stuff, if you learn new stuff. So try one new activity every week, like, I don't know, skydiving, cooking class, dancing class. Try to do something exciting to bring excitement to your life. That will also create that attraction in your ex's mind. That would also force them to be interested in, this is what would trigger them to be back with you and running back to you. You're not begging anymore, you're not pleading anymore, you are creating an exciting life. You are creating an attraction by doing new things, by learning new things, by becoming a better person. This is what will make them walk to you or crawl to you. Whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do, you're single right now. Take that time to invest in yourself. Your ex will realize what she or he lost. And you can post on social media, that's the next step. But let's have a chat if you're not sure what you have to do. If you have any questions, like pressing questions that you don't want to share in the comment section, why don't you click in the description? There's a link for you to have a chat with me. Sometimes, 15 minutes really help people to get unstuck. It's totally free. And I do that simply because I want to get to know you, get to know the community and see how I can help you better. Social media. So social media, it's a bit controversial, but I'll say it anyway because I know you're smart. So don't brag on social media. The thing on social media is to showcase, but very subtly, very subtle, that you're doing exciting stuff. So don't pretend that you're someone you're not. Don't make up stories or things that are not true. Don't use your friends to make your ex jealous. What I'm saying is just change your profile pictures. Update your social media in a way that your ex realizes that actually you're entering a new chapter of your life, that you're actually moving on. And by doing that, they'll have that fear of losing you, as we discussed before. And this is what would make them run after you. Fourth one is the right mindset. And this is the game changer. This point is really important for you. Listen to it very carefully. It's all in the mindset. It starts with the way you think. If you are sad and mad, you will not be able to make your ex back. You have to be positive. You have to be strong. You have to think, and this is the key element here. You have to think, they don't deserve me. They don't deserve me. Because at the breakup, they felt, I don't deserve that person. I make that decision. But in reality, because you're working on yourself, because you're seeing the positive stuff, because maybe you're having a coach to help you work on yourself, to understand better, your shortcomings and how what you have to work on, the clear action plan of what you have to do. You're creating that exciting life. You're creating that attraction. You're an attractive person right now. And you think, well, they don't deserve me. I made all this effort. I invested so much in that relationship. Now they broke up with me. They took that decision. I think it's unfair. And I think it's unfair because now I'm working on myself. I'm a better person. I think I'm ready for a committed relationship. But now I don't deserve it. If you feel that you're shifting to that mindset, this is part of the game. You're nearly there. It's all about, it's very unconscious. It's very about sometimes if you see your ex and you're behaving in a way, maybe you don't see it, but it's like a lot of non-verbal communication stuff. They are not better than you. And when you are with them, they'll see it, they'll feel it. It's really different when you are with someone who is really needy, who's really like trying to get your attention versus someone who's very stable, who knows what he wants, who's very confident. You are that person. If you create that image, if you create that mindset, this is what will make them run after you. Be your ex-best friend is also a good thing. If you manage to become your ex's confident in a way, and again, it's in the mindset, I'm not saying you should be in the friend zone, but if you feel that they're sharing stuff with you, they're confident, but at the same time, you've moved on, you're doing something else, you're more exciting, they'll be dying to be more close to you. They'll be dying to be back with you because you're interesting, because you're attractive, because you worked on yourself, because you showcase on social media in a smart way. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. It will help me a lot. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.